Hi guys, I'm MYKHAILO, your local Miami realtor. I help people to find a new home, and today I am in beautiful, amazing community, Oak Tree community, nearby Fort Lauderdale. I and my team, we are working to find one of the best new home, and this Oak Tree community, the one we've chosen.
As a seasoned real estate expert in Miami, let me guide you through the enchanting Oak Tree community. A gated haven in Oakland Park, just moments away from the heartbeat of downtown Fort Lauderdale. These are not just homes. They are meticulously crafted narratives of modern living. Wander through our curated collection of new homes, each designed with your comfort and lifestyle in mind. Townhomes and single-family residences seamlessly blend contemporary elegance with the vibrant energy of city living. As the Miami real estate market shifts and evolves, Oak Tree Homes stands as a testament to timeless design and enduring quality. But the story doesn't end there. Join me on a journey into the heart of Fort Lauderdale. Here, every home is a chapter, capturing the essence. As we venture into the intricacies of home design, the Stardom Floorplan takes center stage. Imagine a kitchen commanding a central location, overlooking a cough and gathering room, a space designed for both connection and quiet moments.
Hi, recently a lot of customers, they are going to buy a new home here in Miami area. They want to buy a new home. Why new? New feels better, new smells better, new is yours, new one never was used before. And today I want to show you one of the best choice here in Miami neighborhood, Oak Tree community, nearby Fort Lauderdale. I'm MYKHAILO, your local real estate expert, and let me show you why this particular home such a good fit for you. First of all, it's a location. It's close to Fort Lauderdale Airport. It's very close to the beach. It's very close to Miami International Airport, and using I-95, within 40 minutes you will be in downtown of Miami. And so much more. Welcome. See it. See it by yourself and make your decision.
The story continues with private owner suites offering privacy, natural light, and spacious walk-in closets, providing the canvas for your personal narrative. At Oak Tree Homes, Miami, we understand that a home is more than just a structure. It's the setting for life's most cherished moments. It's where you create memories, build your future, and live out your dreams. As a real estate expert deeply woven into the fabric of Miami, I invite you to experience the Oak Tree way of life, where homes aren't just spaces. They're the backdrop to your unique story of Miami living.